This is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can find your mobile phone number on this device. First of all, you gotta launch Settings, scroll the page all the way down and enter the About Phone category, that is the last one you'll see. Then open the Status section at the very bottom, or expand it rather. In here, go for the network, I suppose. Yep, and at the following page you'll be able to see the phone number that it's saved on the SIM card's memory, or in the SIM card's memory rather, if it is any, of course. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.